Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Faiza's Kitchen, and today I'll be making chicken kebabs, and the recipe is very easy and the kebabs are very yummy. Stay with me till the end for a step-by-step process on how to make them. So first you're gonna start with the ingredients, and I have here turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, salt, chili flakes, onions, bell pepper, you can use tomatoes as well, garlic ginger paste, cilantro, some carrots, and chicken is our main ingredients. I'm going to use 500 grams, and here I'll be using a food processor. I'm going to add all the ingredients in this food processor. That includes carrots, chicken, onions, bell pepper. If you liked chili, you can add chili or green chili. Add your garlic ginger paste and cilantro. Notice I did not add any water, so add your spices, the turmeric powder, salt, and chili flakes. I've used very little because I do not like my chicken kebabs to be so spicy. Mix it here in a food processor, and once it's done, transfer your mixture in a bowl, and once this is transferred, another bowl, put some water and wet your hands or palms, ready to mold. And I have used knives since I didn't have the flat skewer, and I'm going to mold these kebabs ready to cook them. Okay, so I'm going to mold them one by one, and once this is ready, I'm going to place a pan with oil to start cooking them. If this is your first time to visit my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Here I'm going to add olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Spread it all over the pan. Notice my pan is not so big, and make sure you are cooking on a medium heat. And place your kebabs on the pan and let them cook. Flip them around to maintain a good brown color like this one, and at this time you will be getting a very beautiful aroma. And I have used the Arabic flatbread to cover so the flavor can go on the bread too. Keep tossing or keep flipping until your kebabs are cooked all over. Once these ones are cooked, you can transfer them to a plate and make sure to cook the rest of the kebabs until you finish. Again, this recipe is very easy. You want to try it for your family. It's very tasty. If you have any questions, please do not forget to comment below. Let me know what your questions are, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for my subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos. Let's continue cooking these kebabs. You can eat them with rice, you can eat them with bread. I prefer eating them with this Arabic flatbread, and I also made some salads and hummus. So while your kebabs are still cooking here, you can quickly mix your hummus, which I've already made mine, and I'll show you here a little bit shortly. So keep cooking, keep tossing them, and here our kebabs are ready to be eaten. And as you can see, now we are going to remove them from the skewers and get ready to eat. Smells so good, guys. It smells so good. I have made some pickles, which I added some spices and garlic. And here is my hummus, guys. This is the hummus that I made. So tasty, so delicious. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Do not forget to like, share with your friend, comment, cook for your family. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed to my video already. I really appreciate. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be able to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I post another video. Thank you so much.